Hello lovelies, welcome back. Come, let's make this quick rice recipe, and this is it, me eating it, guys. Come, let's do it. I added some butter, some olive oil. I added the washed rice. I soaked it in the hot water for 5 minutes. I added my meat spices, my spices as usual. I added onion, bay leaf, rosemary, and I will stay together. All my returnees, thank you. My old and my new subscribers, thank you for being here. I really do appreciate. If you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel and be a member of the family. So guys, I added some soy sauce and I gave it another quick stir. Turn on your post notifications so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. So I will be adding in hot water. So I added in some salt. So I will cover and cook it. So I came to check. It was almost cooked. So I added my diced carrot, some butter, and onion and green beans. So I will give it a quick stir. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. Lady B Variety is the name, and I added another slime of soy sauce. So guys, this is it. I will stir together properly, and after that I will cover it and steam it on a low heat for another 5 to 7 minutes. Thank you for always being here. I really do appreciate. Thank you for your comment, your like, your share. God bless. So yeah guys, ready to be served. Look at that. Enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. Follow me, give me a like, check my channel out, cooking videos, family health, lifestyle, baking recipe. Join guys. So this is the finished part, trying to serve this shit out, and I will enjoy. Who does the cooking will also eat. So here is it guys. I added in my meat and protein.